Hello guys, how are you? I think everything is going well and perfect. Today guys, I will show you how to add files and folders in Windows 10 Defender settings exclusion list. Why and how to do it? Sometimes friend, we see that Windows 10 is showing an error like a harmful software is detected or a harmful file is detected or the file may be deleted automatically. So to get rid of this kind of error, please follow my video so that you can process your work perfectly. So before starting my video, I will definitely request you not to use any kind of pirated software. Always go for licensed and genuine software. Thank you guys. Let's start.
If you have not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel by clicking the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get a video notification at first.
Hello friends, how are you? I think everything is going well. Today I will teach you how to add exception files in security settings in Windows 10. Sometimes we see this kind of error. I am going to show you this kind of error, potential harmful software detected, but you need to install this software in order to work, but you are not being able to do that. Each and every time you are going to install that particular software, Windows is deleting the patch file or some other file to activate the Windows. Today we are going to show this kind of thing so that we can install the software to work. But before starting this thing, I am to say you that do not use any pirated software. Actually, I am going to show you this kind of process to teach you or show you how to do that. I am not going to inspire you to use the pirated software. So my friends, let's start how to add exceptional file list in the Windows security setting. Actually, I'll show you today. I'm going to install a software that is SoundForge. Here it is. Let's see, where is my software? Yes, sound recording. Here it is. Lots of protected software is there, file is there. Better not to use, but in some cases we need to use this to use for certain time or certain use. So let's see how to add this particular folder in a security exception list, so that whenever I'm going to install this kind of file, it will not protect me or delete my file. So friend, let's start. First thing first, go here, type Windows Defender set. Yes, Windows Defender settings. Yes, settings. Now go here, exclusion. You can see in Windows 10 exclusion. Add an exclusion. Yes, I want to add the whole folder over here. So you can do one thing. You can add the files. Also, you can add the whole folder. You can add the file type, like you can add the .bat file or .mp3 file, .mp4 file, or anything file that you can add over here. You can just type the .extension, .thing, .bat in this way, and OK. You can do that. In some cases, it will protect you from executing this file. Windows security setting will not entertain you to execute this file. So my friends, today I will show you how to add this folder, whole folder. Which folder I'm going to add? Let's see. I'm going to add, go to my PC and here, not there, it is in here, software, go to software and go there, this whole folder I'm going to use. This is where it is. Sound recording. This I'm going to add this whole folder here. exclude this folder. Sound recording. Whatever file I will drop in this folder, Windows security setting or Defender setting will not going to check, because you are telling the Windows system that Mr. Windows 10, please do not check my folder. So in this way you will definitely get rid of this particular problem in Windows 10. So let's start, and I'm going to install this one. Here it is, red mouse. I'm going to install SoundForge. I'm going to install, but I will not keep it in the future use. Just for showing you, I'm showing you this to you. Yes, it. Plugins also. Install software. Let's install. It is taking some time, so have patience, because it will vary. I'm using the SSD so that I can do my task very fast. Yeah, it is already installed. Yes, during this thing I'm going to tell you one thing. If you make your computer fast, you definitely use SSD, solid state drive, so that you can make your task very fast. Two type of devices are used. There is a in general type of SSD, and other one is M.2. There is very good devices that you can use in your desktop or laptop. Now, what is here? I'm going to do this thing. The dangerous task I'm going to use. First thing first, you have to. I'm going to merge this merge, and yes, there is a thing for permission because it is very dangerous thing. And yes, a keygen is here. Administrator. Yes. This is a patch. Forward to the current series. Serial number. Just copy this one. Just one more thing is there. It is asking to register this product. One more time, I will try this one. Yes, it's patched successfully. Now you can see the file has been patched successfully. What we have to do nothing is a patch with it. Select this one. C drive. I've installed this file in the C drive, and what I have done, this program file is a 32-bit software, since that's why it is this file over here. And then select Sony, this is a Sony product, and this select one, and select this. Okay. And after that, you will get that particular message that you have successfully passed, and go to exit. So whenever I'm going to open this administrator, it will not ask me to register one more time. It is asking for the registration. Okay, registering. Also one more time it is asking for the registration. Serial will look like here. So I'm going to pause you once again. Yes, it is activated. Exit here. Yes, it is working. So I've successfully installed my SoundForge. It took lots of time to activate, So my dear friends, please do not use for any unethical purpose. If you want to use any kind of software that is really needed, please purchase that particular software from any licensed software from the site. Any site, they are providing the licensed software. So my friends, I think this video will help you lots in future. Not even that you want to I have shown you this kind of video not to once again I'm telling you not to inspire you not to use any kind of pirated software, but in some cases some files also it is may not be a software, but some files also it is also protect you to use you. So in same case, at that time also you can use the same process that I have shown you. You can exclude the file, you can add the exclusion, you can add the file list in the exclusion list like a file, or you can add the folder list also, or you can add any kind of extension, file extension, so that you can use the file flawlessly. Okay, so guys, I think it will help you lots, and definitely subscribe my channel and like and share. Of course, like and share my channel so that I will definitely motivate myself to make lots and lots of videos in near future. Thank you.